Hello everyone, this is my vlog. See you again. My name is Wimonsiri. My nickname is Papa. I have seen horror movie. It's what Megan. I saw in cinema and it's played on 12th January. It's what about Gemma has developed a baby sister robot. Naming is Megan. She brought it home to be her nice companion and later Katie. But darkness began to creep in. When the Megan robot started not following Gemma order, she chooses to uphold Katie's command that no one will harm her and slowly reveal her evil nature, so that we can't help but wonder that is it because of a faulty AI system or a mysterious evil. At the end, Gemma and Katie survive as for Megan she disappeared. So I feel scary and it was so interesting. For the game, I usually play role-playing game. It's Honkai Star Rail. It's about Honkai Star Rail is a fantasy role-playing video game. In which players control one of four characters forming a team, featuring open world and dungeon exploration elements. It focuses on turn-based strategic combat. I like it because it's fun.